The impact of social media, transforming communication in society. Social media has rapidly transformed the way we communicate, connect, and interact with one another in the modern world. This essay delves into the impact of social media, examining its profound influence on personal relationships, businesses, and society as a whole. From revolutionizing information dissemination to creating new avenues for self-expression, social media has become an integral part of our lives. However, it is imperative to understand both the positive and negative implications of this digital phenomenon to navigate the evolving landscape of online interactions responsibly, enhanced connectivity and communication. Social media platforms have revolutionized communication by providing a seamless and widespread connection between individuals globally. Through social media, geographical barriers are broken, fostering new relationships and deepening existing ones. Instant messaging, video calls, and various networking features have made it easier than ever to maintain contact with friends, family, and colleagues across the world. Furthermore, social media acts as a catalyst for awareness and mobilization, empowering individuals to voice their opinions and engage in important discussions that impact society. Dynamic information sharing and awareness. One of the most significant impacts of social media is its ability to rapidly disseminate information on a global scale. News travels faster than ever before, enabling individuals to stay updated on current events, global crises, and breaking news in real time. Moreover, social media offers a diverse range of perspectives, giving users access to a multitude of opinions and viewpoints. This increased accessibility to information fosters critical thinking and promotes greater awareness of social, political, and environmental issues, creating an informed and engaged citizenry. Business opportunities and digital marketing. Social media platforms have revolutionized the way businesses operate and market their products and services. The vast user base and targeted advertising capabilities of social media enable businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, to reach a wider audience and establish a strong online presence. Social media marketing strategies, such as influencer collaborations and interactive content, contribute to brand awareness, customer engagement, and ultimately, increased sales. Additionally, social media allows for direct customer feedback and engagement, enabling businesses to build meaningful relationships with their clientele. Implications on mental health and well-being. While the impact of social media is predominantly positive, it is essential to acknowledge and address the potential negative effects it can have on mental health and well-being. Social media can exert pressure to present an idealized version of oneself, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-comparison. The constant exposure to curated lives may result in increased anxiety, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. It is crucial for individuals to cultivate a healthy relationship with social media, setting boundaries, and prioritizing offline connections and self-care to maintain overall well-being. In conclusion, social media has undeniably transformed communication and society, offering enhanced connectivity, dynamic information sharing, business opportunities, and influencing mental health. It is essential for individuals to harness the benefits while being mindful of the potential drawbacks, ensuring that social media remains a tool for positive change and meaningful connections.